you see this shirt, it would have ended up in landfill. And instead of throwing it away, we are gonna upcycle it. So come on with me right now. Hey guys, I'm Saba, and today I'm gonna tell you how to make a mask like this with a shirt like this. So let's begin. So we are actually got a lot of feedback that people are confused with how the FNR patterns are working. And in this video, I'm gonna be detailing you how we are making masks. The dimensions are same, just the method is a little different and pretty simple. So let's get started. Okay, so before we get started cutting into this, what we need to know is the dimension of the mask that we are gonna make. The mask we're discussing today is 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. To make that, you need to cut a rectangle like this, which is 20 centimeter in dimension by 40 centimeter in height. How does it become 20 by 20? We are gonna fold it like this. Okay, now it becomes 20 by 20. Okay guys, so as you can see, we have our 20 by 40 centimeter pattern cut here, and we're gonna do is fold it like this, mark a 5 centimeter opening in the center out here, and then I have with me Ding over here who's gonna help us sew these masks. So how we are gonna start is she's gonna start sewing from this opening point, go until here, put an elastic inside, and make sure that the elastic is not touching the edge. Then seal the edge and conceal the elastic on the other edge. And she'll do it for both the sides, and we will continue further. So what you can see is the mask is now inside out, and the 5 centimeter slit that we did is out here, and through this we pulled out the mask. Now our next process is the very important but very simple step. What we have to do is to pleat the mask. How to do it? Super simple. Almost in the middle, just hold the mask, put your middle finger underneath, and roll your top finger, what is it called? Index finger maybe? Yes, index finger and your thumb. Create a pleat like this, put it and roll. So you have created a pleat. Then you need is a pin. Secure the pleat we have done here. And like that, create one more pleat below it, repeating the same process. So, this is how your mask looks like right now. All you have to do is sew here, and your mask is ready. Super simple. Okay. If you like what we are doing and you would like to try the same mask for yourself, please do visit our website, which is www.fixthatshirt.com and /FR for France. And you can visit our Make a Mask section where we have detailed instructions, the same video and patterns to download. Thank you for watching guys. Stay safe, wear a mask.